Did you know that leftover rice can be a culinary superstar? Instead of tossing it out, elevate your meals with these creative ideas. Try this today. Make a quick and delicious fried rice. Just one ingredient you need is soy sauce, and you can use whatever veggies and proteins you have on hand. Simply heat some oil in a pan, toss in the rice, add the soy sauce, and mix in your choice of stir-fried vegetables and leftover chicken or tofu. This dish not only comes together in minutes, but it's also a great source of fiber and protein. Imagine a plate of colorful fried rice, bursting with flavors and nutrients, ready to enjoy in no time. Another fantastic option is to make rice pancakes. Combine leftover rice, eggs, and a splash of milk, and cook them like pancakes for a savory breakfast treat. They're crispy, satisfying, and perfect to pair with your favorite toppings like avocado or salsa. You can even add herbs for an extra flavor boost. Would you try these tips? Or do you have your own favorite way to use leftover rice? Don't let that rice go to waste. Get creative in the kitchen and reinvent your meals. Share your ideas and let's inspire each other to make the most of our leftovers.